About hexadecimal, a very important thing is easily mix up BC representing different number. So we should start from 9, 10, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We want to use some symbol to representing the double digit value. So we use A represent 10, we use B representing 11. So you must write down this table once again by yourself. Otherwise, some student may think that 16 representing F, but this is wrong. It seems like you won't put 10 in your number in one digit. So until 15 only. B representing 11. So if we decompose it, this is 11. And together with the place value, typical example again, 1234 in our decimal value. That means 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4, which means that it is equal to 1 times 1000, 2 times 100, 3 times 10, 4 times 1. That means 1 times 10 power 3 plus 2 times 10 power 2 plus 3 times 10 power 1 plus 4 times 10 power 0. That's how you decompose decimal value. For hexadecimal, it's exactly the same. So we are going to count the place value. Power of 3, power of 6, power of 9. This is power of 12. That's why it is B times 16, power of 12. And then plus C times 16, power of 11, because we start counting from 0. And then plus D times 16 power of 7 plus E times 16 power of 6. And then we don't have any value left. So we are finding which of the answer here representing this expression. B represented by 11. C represented by 12. And then D represented by 13. E represented by 14. It still don't look the same, but at least we know that the first term here should refer to the first group. You can't change 16 power of 11 to 16 power of 12 because this is not large enough. So what you can do is to make this adopt to 16 power of 11. 16 power of 12, we break it down to 16 power of 1 times 16 power of 11. So this part, that means we have 176 times of 16 power of 11. And then at the back, we have 12 more. That's why this is 176 plus 12. We have 188 times of 16 power of 11. Therefore, the answer should be A. We just do similar calculation for another group, see whether it is the same. So we try to make 16 power of 7 adopted to 16 power of 6. That's why we break it down. 16 power of 1 times 16 power of 6. 13 times 16 is give positive 208 times of 16 power of 6. At the back, we have extra 14 times. Therefore, 208 together with 14, we have 222 times of 16 power of 6. That's why it's also consistent with our first part.